Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope you're all doing great out there today. If you're new here, please hit subscribe below and turn the little bell, tap the little bell next to it or click it. Make sure it's set to all so that you'll get notifications of my future uploads. Today I'm just going to share a nail mail from AliExpress so that you can see, more than what their pictures show, how the items look, because some look different to me than they looked in the pictures. So I'm just going to dig right in. At first I was wanting some pearls, so I saw this listing for pearls, and well, they're not exactly what I envisioned, but they're nice, they'll do, and you can't beat the prices. I need to get some more because I was expecting a lot more in the little container. I just really love pearls, especially with the half shape. So you can see the different colors. This is number 1. That's like a pure white, and they're all a couple sizes of small pearls. I like this size a lot. This is number 4. They're about the same color, but they're a lot bigger. So those of you that have big nail needs, that would work. And then I saw they had some colored ones, and well, these are the colors. Number 5. I'm not sure what happened to 2 and I don't know if I just didn't order 2 and 3. I like the smaller sizes myself. And I did get some duplicates of these for future giveaways. This is number 6. And it's in like a container. I just realized it's in a container that's like frosted or cut glass on the top. It's kind of cool. And you could hang them up even. So that's a neat little trick. And then I went on some sticker hunting. They're like raised up stickers, but they're not too raised where they'll be pestering you. They should encapsulate right in your top coat. I thought those are pretty cool. So it's number 27. If you're looking at them, I think there were like several varieties there. And I've seen these for a while, and I just had to touch them because I couldn't believe what they are. And I haven't touched them yet. They say it's for making sweater nails. You can see that they're raised slightly, and this is how big they would be on my nails, so you can kind of estimate on your nails. Little sweaters. These are a little bit larger than these. I assume this was number 104. And more stickers. I just got into the sticker mood. Some I'm going to be enclosing in Christmas cards and whatnot as well. These are so cute. All these little leaves. They're just really adorable, and some flowers. And then, well, I've been playing around with foil glue gels, and I'm loving it. So I went out and bought a lot of foils. So we got a lot of foils sitting here. This one I believe is all butterflies. Take a quick little peek. This is clear foils. See, there's different kinds of butterflies in here. I know a lot of you really like butterflies. I do too. They're simply stunning. Hearts. You could use one little image on some of these, or you could use the whole image. This one doesn't have a label. This one has some pansies on it as well. There's all sorts of flowers on this one, even some feathers. Ooh, look, some fall images. Maybe I'll remember to use them this fall. Fall and butterflies. Oh, and beautiful birds. You know I love birds. Now this one seems to be a full sheet of them. Look at that. Bleeding hearts. Ooh, that's lilac. Daisies. Oh, so beautiful. Orchids. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And some more foils. Some cute images. Look at the shine on that one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful images. Looks like another one that I ordered. Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. That one's like a little humid out. They're stuck together. Look at that. You could wear these without any color on your nails whatsoever if you wanted to. Cut them up, wear them whole. It's endless, and my mind just can't always go there these days with what you can do. Then I have the more traditional foils. This is how huge of a pack they come, and I won't have to even open them. They have every color of the rainbow and many different patterns. I was going to do a 4th of July nail, but I just didn't feel up to it. They have solids, they have stars. Look at that one. Ooh. Different kinds of greens and purples. I'll show you the difference. It's like a matte green and a matte purple, I guess. See the difference in them? I believe these are angel paper, not foils, but I'll have to test it out to find out. Hello. I know somebody out there that's wanting that one back. Ooh, this is, I've never seen this one. There's some more that I think these are angel paper. They've just come in with the foils. All the clear ones I think are angel paper, I'm not sure. Or you actually cut them up to use them. I'll have to test them out to see. There's some more matte. And they have like several colors in each design in here. I think it's just a random pack of what you get. Look, a black one. Oh, look at the hollow glitter in this. Goodness. This one's actually pink and this one's actually gold. There, I think I can get them to show in the camera, I hope. Copper, gold stars. Everyone for being here with me today, sharing in my nail mail, my little haul that I did. I appreciate every minute you watch of this. I'm hoping that I'll have a little clip of what my little birdie was doing before I filmed this. It'll be either on the screen of this video or at the end of the video. I'm not sure. I'm hoping I'll have it up there for you to see a little glimpse of the trouble that I'm going through right now. But it's so cute. Thank you everyone for watching. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye. You know Mama's recording you, don't you? Yeah. Gonna help? Gonna help me? Help me out. You helping Mama?